Hello, everyone, and welcome to our learning series on 5 features to support reopening. Today, we will be taking a look at spaced seating. This is a challenging time for our industry. We're here for you, we're thinking of you, and we hope the information we are sharing today can help you strengthen your business and serve your guests when the time comes to welcome them back to your venue. My name is Missy Chamberlain, and I am a sales engineer for accesso ShoWare. The reality is that technology has always been a critical piece of the puzzle for live entertainment. We believe strongly that your technology should give you the tools you need to solve problems, not create them. Today, we'll specifically be talking about our accesso ShoWare box office ticketing solution. accesso ShoWare serves a variety of live entertainment venues around the globe. Our highly customizable white label platform is designed to deliver to sold-out houses and standing ovations. With over 600 installations in theaters, concert venues, sports arenas, casinos, fairs, and attractions, our box office ticketing solution is a proven success. In this learning series, we are introducing you to 5 features within the accesso ShoWare platform that can help you reopen safely during this unprecedented time. Today, we will be focusing on spaced seating. Keeping your patrons safe is important. Our new social distance seating functionality has created new logic in our seat maps to help meet the CDC guidelines and keep your patrons at a safe distance from one another while seated. You can define a specific barrier of empty seats to the left and right of an order and allow your patrons to safely select their own seats or use the quick pick functionality. Seats are automatically removed once tickets have been placed in the basket. So let's take a quick look at this functionality. Social distance seating. It's extremely easy to set up. All you would need to do is go into your seat maps, under System Configuration, under Venue and Seat Maps, and find the seat map that you need to have social distance seating placed on. We'll take a quick look at one that I've already set up. But underneath the seat map settings section, if I slide down here just a little bit, you're going to see enforced gap distance, and I have the number 2. All you need to do is decide how many seats in between each order you want to be removed or allocated from the system to allow for that social distance seating. Obviously, states differ, so those number of seats might differ, and the size of seats might even play a part in how many seats need to be removed. But once that number is put in, that is and it is saved, that's all that is needed. So if I go to the front and purchase a ticket, we'll again go to A Christmas Carol. And let's go to December 3rd's performance. We'll go to December 2nd's performance. So here I am, my seat map. You're going to see in the legend with the red circle with the line through it, that is going to show what seats have been put or allocated into a social distance. And if I enlarge my seat map, you're going to see that we already have some of those seats up here. All I need to do is put a seat or whatever seats into my seat, into my seating chart. All I need to do is decide which seat I want to go to, put it in the right panel, and then we'll just go ahead and add that to the cart. So just to show you how quickly that happens, now that this one seat for seat C1 is in my cart, I can go back to that same seat map, and if I enlarge my seat map a little bit, you're going to clearly see that my seat is C1, but the next 2 seats have been removed. So you can safely sell these seats and all seats utilizing our integrated seat map along with social distance seating to your patrons to keep them safe within your venue while they're watching your performances. Thank you, everyone, for watching today's video on spaced seating, and check back soon for more videos in our learning series on reopening safely with the accesso ShoWare platform. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our accesso ShoWare solution, please contact sales@accesso.com. Have a great day.